Welcome to Marks British Airways Fleet Update, looking at short and long-haul fleets.
It's time once again for the British Airways Fleet Update here on Marks, Trains, Planes and Trams. We'll be looking at all the latest developments across the short and long-haul fleets, including the City Flyer and Euroflyer subsidiaries. Make sure you like this video and drop us your thoughts in the comments below. Subscribe to my channel and click for notifications. Now, let's get going with this week's update.
Hello, welcome to London Heathrow Terminal 5. I'm in the British Airways Galleries Lounge on the north side of the terminal, overlooking some of the short-haul fleet. Just waiting for my flight to Manchester, which is leaving tonight, just down here, gate 6, with an Airbus A320 Golf Echo uniform, if you are interested. Now, I said we'd change the way we do the British Airways Fleet Update, and some of them might come from out on the road, and that's what I'm doing tonight. And I'll still show you some of the graphics. And the information. But I guess key headlines at the moment across the British Airways fleet is we are seeing a big improvement in availability of the Class 787 fleet, so that is good. Bit of disruption on the A380 operation to Boston, but generally the fleet's stable. Aircraft continuing to cycle through Cardiff, and a bit of movement on the short-haul fleet to and from Malta as well. City Flyer fleet, rather strange operation on the 26th of May with the BA 8477 flying to Nice from London City via Southend. Not quite sure why. Maybe it needed just to stop for fuel. Occasionally the aircraft either can't fuel or they can't depart with sufficient fuel load, but that's certainly an unusual operation. Lima Charlie Alpha Bravo playing around with special operations for the football. 29th of May, London City, Vienna, Budapest, back to Birmingham, and then Birmingham, London City the following day as the Flyer 9760. And Lima Charlie Alpha Charlie's flown down to Exeter, Flyer 9760 on the 29th of May. On the Gatwick-based Euroflyer, Echo Uniform X-Ray Foxtrot remains over in Lufthansa Technik in Malta. But I've also reminded you all of Echo Uniform Yankee Romeo, which is in the Gatwick fleet now, having flown over from Heathrow, earning its due on the Euroflyer duties. A few bits and pieces going on with the short-haul Airbus fleet, a Manchester flight out and back for one of the aircraft, a bit of pilot training, and Porto Delgado had a bit of action with a aircraft taken out of traffic and a replacement having to be sent, and it's worth just having a quick look at that. I've also mentioned here that the Airbus A319s, some of which were due for withdrawal, BA need to keep them a bit longer than they'd originally planned, so they're doing some life extension work. On the 27th of May, we saw them sending Echo Uniform Papa out to Malta for, I think, a life extension check, and they brought back 2 days later on the BA 9276 Echo Uniform Papa Golf, and that had been out in Malta for quite some time. So that's the short-haul fleet. But before I leave that, just a reminder, we've got a couple of A319s looking like they're going to get the chop at Heathrow unless someone invests in that life extension. And then more aircraft at Gatwick in the Gulf Alpha Tango range, looking probably towards the autumn for a number of those to go. Does, of course, depend on new aircraft coming through, deliveries from the Airbus facilities in Toulouse and Hamburg. And of course, there's some debate at the moment about the second-hand market for Airbus aircraft, particularly in the light of the Spirit Airlines collapse over in North America. Now, I've no idea whether that will come to anything, One would expect that IAG might have a look at what's on offer, what the aircraft leases are touting, what the costs of it would be, what maintenance might be due, and so on. But it might also possibly impact other airlines who might go after them. So worth keeping an eye on that. Airbus A350 is not a great deal to say, just that X-Ray Whiskey Bravo November remains out in Bordeaux. On the Airbus A380s, 2 aircraft in Manila. We think Echo Foxtrot must be due a return fairly soon. No sign of them starting work. We are in June now. No sign of them starting work on X-Ray Lima Echo Charlie's refit, if indeed that is the one. And just a reminder, of course, the second Miami rotation now operating as a 787-10, and the A380 now doing a Dallas rotation. So we'll see. Also, Boston, we had X-Ray Lima Echo Kilo fly out on the 28th of May, but the return flight, the 212, cancelled. The aircraft came back as a special flight, the 9609, on the 30th of May. So not a lot, but just a little bit of A380 drama going on there. 777s, there's a bit of excitement on the 31st of May earlier, at the end of last week, with Romeo Alpha Echo Sierra, which, by the way, the reason that has an out of sequence registration is it's Royal Aeronautical Engineers Society, which someone persuaded BA to register. But of course, all the other aircraft of that type are Victor, India, Alpha, and so on. But anyway, 31st of May, that did the BA 777-0 and the BA 777-1, London, Stockholm, and back. So that's normally an Airbus A320. The previous day's trip had been cancelled, so maybe that's why they needed to double up on capacity. I've talked here about a few moves with the 777s. Yankee Mike Lima out to Gatwick, did a Vancouver and an Orlando. That's a Heathrow aircraft covering for Gatwick. Of course, less seats, so that does cause a problem, but some people like the club suites. But if you're in economy and you get bounced when that happens, it's not much fun. Yankee Mike Foxtrot at Gatwick to Heathrow, 3 days and back. Yankee Mike Sierra, Heathrow to Gatwick, maintenance, 4 days and back. And then Yankee Mike Bravo, Gatwick, Heathrow maintenance for a day. And I've put the question, why do Heathrow and Gatwick based 777s keep, doing this, where the Gatwick ones go to Heathrow for maintenance, the Heathrow ones come to Gatwick? It's all a bit odd, but someone must know the answer to that. Moving on to the Dreamliners, the 787s, Zulu Bravo Lima Foxtrot had spent over 12 months in storage down at Cardiff. That's now been returned and off into service. Replaced at Cardiff by Zulu Bravo Lima Alpha for a bit of maintenance. That went down on the BA 9171, hopefully won't be there long. Zulu Bravo Lima Juliet been out of use at Heathrow for about a week. And Zulu Bravo Lima Kilo also out of use. So 5 Dreamliners there, currently not available. It was down to 4, it's now 5, but certainly nowhere near as serious as it was. So thanks for joining me on the British Airways Fleet Update. Hope you found that useful. Thanks to everyone for their help, support and advice, especially the tips on Flyer Talk, the website I'd recommend. I'll catch you for another update very soon.
Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like the video, subscribe, and click the notification button so you don't miss any of the great trips Mark has coming your way on this YouTube channel.